Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Stock Market by Shri. Please do subscribe and share the video with your families and friends. Today's topic is how to make money. Money, money, money. Money is something, a basic need for a human being. Yes, of course you will accept it. Yes, if you are a student, then you need money for your studies and for your entertainment and for financial independence as well. If you are working in a job, then your money is important for your future. So that money is a basic need to survive. There are many ways to make money. Yes, you heard me right. There are many ways to make money. You can start a business, you can work in an IT company, you can start your own YouTube channel, you can do whatever you want. And there is also a way to invest in stock market. For money, you can start investing in share market and make sure it only be in a long time. Yes, you can make money in all such ways, but there are only few ways to save money, or there are only few ways to compound your money. I mean, expand your money. One such way is investing in stock market. Yes, stock market is the one place where you can compound your